How to see what apps you have downloaded from Google Play Store. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Now then open up Play Store. Now tap on Not Now. Now click on your profile at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings. Now tap on About section. Now scroll down. Now tap on Update Play Store. Now after updating the Play Store, simply go back. Again repeat the same process. Tap on your profile again. Now tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now on this page, simply tap the Now on this page, simply go to the Manage tab. Now tap on Manage. Now click on this device. Now select Not Installed. Now here you can find all of the applications you have installed on your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.